Question 22. A cone of height 12 centimeters and base radius 9 has a smaller, similar cone removed from it, leaving a conical hole 4 centimeters deep. Here's a cross-section. The big triangle is the full cone, and the small triangle scooped out of the base is the hole. Part 1. Because the small cone is similar to the big one, their measurements are in the same ratio. So r over 9 equals 4 over 12, which gives the hole's radius as 3 centimeters. Part 2. The volume of the small cone removed is 1/3 pi r squared h, 1/3 pi times 3 squared times 4, which is 12 pi cubic centimeters. Part B. The slant height of the big cone, by Pythagoras, is the square root of 9 squared plus 12 squared, which is 15 centimeters. Part C is the surface area of what remains, and it comes in 3 pieces. First, the curved surface of the big cone, pi rl. That's pi times 9 times 15, which is 135 pi. Second, the base is now a flat ring, pi times 9 squared minus 3 squared, which is 72 pi. Third, the inside of the hole is a cone surface, pi times 3 times its slant height of 5. The slant is the root of 3 squared plus 4 squared, giving 15 pi. Adding all three, 135 plus 72 plus 15 is 222 pi square centimeters. Well done. That's question 22 complete.